Hey everybody, this is Amy Williams here with Skelly, and I have a question for you. Have you ever gone to a conference, walked into the expo hall, and just felt overwhelmed? There are hundreds of booths, and half of them are saying the same thing. We do engineering services, we do MES, and of course, we do AI. Okay, cool. But what actually makes you different from the 5 other booths claiming the exact same thing? And then, of course, when you try to ask real questions like, okay, what's this cost? How do I actually get the data out? What are the endpoints? You get, well, I'm in sales. Let me get back to you. And okay, I appreciate wanting to have a follow-up call, but here's the thing. In the world of Pharma 4.0, those technical questions, they are what are driving purchases in the boardrooms. And if I can't compare solutions on the spot, how am I supposed to make an informed decision? So let me tell you about ProveIt. This is a brand new type of conference where every booth is a live demo. Not a flyer, not a slideshow. A live demo on a common unified namespace infrastructure. So you're actually comparing apples to apples. And there are rules. Vendors must tell you exactly what does it cost, what problem does they solve, and how long did it take. And of course, by nature, the booths are going to be staffed with technical people, not just sales. And what's really cool is the conference even controls ticket sales. So the majority of attendees are end users, people trying to solve problems. You are there to talk to your peers and find answers. So throughout the conference, there are the ProveIt sessions where the vendors showcase their solutions and answer those key questions. And my favorite part is at the end of each one is a Q&A. So during the Q&A, attendees submit questions through the app. They can even be anonymous, so you don't have to be scared of looking dumb. Ask any question that can help you. And then the audience votes them up and the most popular ones get asked. And of course, the MCs, which I will be MCing again this year, can even push questions to the top or ask their own. So if you're trying to implement a unified namespace and you struggled, or if you're skeptical about whether UNS even works, there's a treat for you. This year, Walker Reynolds himself is doing a ProveIt session. So there will be a Q&A at the end where you can ask him any questions about his solution. Another cool thing is this year, they are introducing workshops. So you get to go even deeper on the topics that matter to you. Now, speaking of things that are different this year, I have to talk about the biggest one ever, which is that ProveIt 2026 is going to be the life science conference of the year. And the reason we can say that is because there is a virtual factory dedicated explicitly to life sciences, and it was built by Skelly. So here's a scenario. It's a biotech startup called Point3 Therapeutics. They are using single-use equipment. We got single-use bioreactor, single-use mixer, chrome skid, TFF. To get to market fast, they bought OEM equipment from different vendors. And to get product out the door quickly, they're running it all on paper, baby. Does that sound familiar? So we simulated 4 batches of continuous manufacturing data at a 1-second resolution. And we hit a lot of challenges in there, all based on real problems that we've seen from our experience working in life science manufacturing. So of course, that means we simulated a lot of those paper documents. In fact, we're talking over 130 documents, more than 300 pages of paper. And now, for the very first time ever, I'm going to tell you one of the problems hidden in the simulation. During the simulation, one of the batches is lost due to contamination. And the answer is in the paper. If Point3 Therapeutics was truly a digital company, that mistake should have been prevented. So if you want to know if any vendor found it or you want to see what other challenges they solve, you're just going to have to get a ticket and come see for yourself. And listen, Like I said, we helped build ProveIt, so we have some insider knowledge. And let me tell you, the big life science names are coming. Major pharma and biotech companies are sending people in force. And there is a reason for it. If there is one conference to go to this year, it has to be ProveIt. So if you're pursuing digital transformation and you've hit walls, or if you're a skeptic, or if you just want to see real solutions, ask real questions, and get real answers without the runaround, this is it. So it's February 16th. Link below to get ticket sales. And if you want to come see what Scalig built, we're going to be at booth 31, and you can use promo code Scalig for 25% off your ticket. I can't wait to see you there.